Hello, I'm Michael. In the last video, we discussed the birth years of six zodiac signs. Have you found your zodiac signs? In this video, we will continue to discuss the birth years of the remaining six zodiac signs. 7. 马 Horse. If you were born in 1978, 1990, 2002, or 2014, your zodiac sign is 马. 8. 羊 Goat. If you were born in 1979, 1991, 2003, or 2015, your zodiac sign is 羊. 9. 猴 Monkey. If you were born in 1980, 1992, 2004, or 2016, your zodiac sign is 猴. 10. 鸡 Rooster. If you were born in 1981, 1993, 2005, or 2017, your zodiac sign is 鸡. 11. 狗 Dog. If you were born in 1982, 1994, 2006, or 2018, your zodiac sign is 狗. 12. 猪 Pig. If you were born in 1983, 1995, 2007, or 2019, your zodiac sign is 猪. Okay, have you found your own 12 zodiac signs? Bye bye.